Hey everyone, this is Loreli from WTI. If you're passionate about baking like I am, then you know how important a good stand mixer can be. That is why I got my hands on this great beauty right here, my KitchenAid Artisan Stand Mixer. This isn't just a kitchen appliance, it's a game changer for anyone who loves baking. One of its standout features is its versatility. With the different attachments, you can do so much more than just mixing. It comes with a dough hook, a wire whip, and a flat beater. But what really made me fall in love with this mixer is the wide selection of additional attachments available. From a pasta maker to a meat grinder, I just love having the option to expand my culinary creativity, even if I don't have all the attachments just yet. I chose KitchenAid because they are famously known for their quality. Needless to say, it handles my cookie dough and my cinnamon roll dough effortlessly. Using it is so easy as well. The tilt-head design makes switching attachments simple and the mixer is built to last, making it a worthwhile investment. So if you're serious about baking, then I definitely recommend you get yourself one of these 10 mixers. It has made my baking experience so much more enjoyable and efficient. I am convinced you won't regret getting yourself one of these. And that is my point of view.